Hi fellow viewers, to everybody, good afternoon, because it's already past lunchtime. It's already after lunchtime, so it's already more past 1 p.m. in the afternoon. So I said good afternoon. My name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, my next acronyms or abbreviations is also found in Italy. As what I've said, my fellow viewers, ever since that it's not only in the Philippines, all my acronyms and abbreviations that I will mention all the videos until I get all over the world. Okay? Now, the next acronyms or abbreviations that I'm discussing is about mafia. Yes, there is an acronym of mafia. It's an Italian word, and please pay attention on this because this is very hard to pronounce because this is not an English. Unless if the word mafia only, but the meaning, each letter are Italian words. Okay? Now, what is this mafia means? Okay, mafia stands for Morte, Alia, Francia, Italia, Anela. Okay, what's the meaning of this? This means that it is a debt to France is Italy's cry. That's the meaning of mafia. Now, this one is as what I've said in my previous I think I mentioned in one of the five La Cosa Nostra. That's the one. Now, this is a secret criminal society of Sicily in Italy, meaning it's outside Rome. So this is not Naples. This is found in Sicily, Italy. Okay, so since I already mentioned the mafia, this is a paid promotion label, and this is to all viewers that please support, subscribe, and click the notification bell for my next acronyms or abbreviations. It's either it falls on videos or reels. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good afternoon.